It was an ordinary day, and there were no signs of approaching disaster.
I used to study how to operate this drone before I bought it. And I knew that in pre-program mode, or they call it intelligent flying mode, I cannot fly drone over the water. Because on the bottom of the drone are sensors. Downward vision and infrared vision sensors doesn't work if drone fly over the water. I knew that I cannot fly over the water, but I thought, oh, it's not a big deal when I made the circle automatic flight and there was small gap over the water, but drone reached water and it stopped. It started to just hovering. The water was pretty shallow and I took off my boots and I tried to push the drone land on my palm, but it didn't listen to this command. You know, that is pretty common glitch for this DJI Neo. They sometimes don't understand that they must land on hand, you know. So I didn't panic. Then I took my phone and that is a good solution because it's pretty easy. You use just a fly application and you can connect drone and take control over it. And then this is how I safely landed it. With controller or phone application, drone can fly over the water, but not in automatic mode.
The beat goes on, and the beat goes on, and the beat goes on.